work as a guide to memories that will
Ready
make
to go
it tonight.
fishing for catfish.
Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying.
Hold on, don't reel yet. Just hold on.
If that's just what I gotta die.
Hold on, don't reel yet. You're gonna break the line if you reel. You got your drag is too tight. You gotta loosen the drag. Let him go. We almost got one. And keep holding. What you think?
Oh, I see him. Oh, I got big.
I think you got a catfish. I think you might have got, yep, you got your, hold on, don't reel yet. Hold on.
Yeah, I got you.
Everybody's chasing fast, they wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. So it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright? I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do.
Oh my God, Collin, he's huge.
Like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always
Wow.
staying on the move. I'll go all night.
Oh my goodness.
What I gotta die to.
Oh my God.
To carry out what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore. So just don't
Oh my goodness.
go ask for more. Go ask for more.
He bites. Wow.
'Cause I'm living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side. PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide. Follow lines, take me where
Your
I
pull down.
wanna visit.
Yeah.
Are you alive? Or just breathing? 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side. PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide.
Be afraid of him.
Follow lines, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing?
Wow. I guess that's a picture. I don't know. Is it the white button?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm pressing it. See anything? Oh, it's heavy.
You got another one? Now you got to try to land it yourself. That's a drum. So right there, stop reeling. Hold the rod, get on your knees. And reach over. Put the rod in the middle of your hand and reach over. The bottom lip. Hold tight. You landed your first fish.
What's up, buddy?
Now you got to get him off the hook.
Got a drum and a cat.
You got a drum and a cat. No more reeling. No more reeling. Wait, because he's still angry. Okay. He's doing a death roll.
There's my fishy. Might be Collin's first fish.
Yeah, you might have caught it.
I'm telling you.
Not a big.
No, maybe not.
That's a big one.
I'm pretty happy with that.
Lori's catfish.
Woohoo! All right.
Yeah, I remember starting a descent. I'll meet you where the two worlds end. Who will fall walking on the edge? Did we wake up? Did we wake up the sleeping giant? How we end up on two different sides of survival. Like the sun in the night, every day rising to battle. Share the same blood, but now we're rivals.
Could be, he ain't wanting to come up.
How we end up on two different sides of survival. Like the sun in the night, every day rising to battle. We share the same blood, but now we're rivals. All the bullets that were dodging,
More than one way to skin a catfish.
darting, never beg for a pardon. Cash in before the house rules, never break from the ground
Okay.
rules. Got too high off our rules. We keep playing with fire, knowing it's a dangerous game. Yeah, we keep playing with fire.
Oh my god.
They can
Oh,
smell
he's
it
gonna
from
end
a
up killing
mile
himself.
away.
Thing. Holy crap, he's huge.
Got some black market romance, body with cold hair, crimes no one gets away with.
Wow.
Some sins you can't atone for, like gold you trade your soul for. Had enough, but gotta have more.
There we go. Alright.
We
I
keep
got him.
playing with
He's
fire,
floppy. He's very floppy.
knowing it's a dangerous game. Yeah, we keep playing with fire. They can smell it from a mile away.
somewhere. Going. Rod tip up. There you go. Rod tip up and reel 2 times. Okay, hold it there now. That's a big catfish in there, so you don't want to lose them. Rod tip up, keep it right there. Hold on, let him do it. Okay, that's it. No more reeling at all. No more reeling.
That's a big one.
You got? All right.
Collin's got a good one. We don't even know where he's at. He's out there somewhere. Oh boy. Wow. Oh boy. He's down in here somewhere. Holy cow. Oh, I see him. I saw him. Oh, look at that line. That fishing pole is all bent. Holy cow. Oh, he's huge. Oh my God. I got him, babe. I got him. Wow. Oh boy. Look at that. Holy crap. There we go. Wow. Oh, he's gonna try to get it himself, huh? Okay.
Through the smoke, through the fog, through the bone bars. When your white knight's in his grave, I'm your last call. 'Cause you're about to walk through places they don't know you. If they don't know you, it ain't safe, y'all. Yeah, well, like
Yeah.
she was headed for
Oh
you
my
down
goodness.
that road.
Oh, wow.
Soon it's coming to take everything you know. Yeah. When that monster crawls out of the sea, you're gonna need somebody like me. When your brother's got blood in the streets, you
You gonna give him a kiss?
somebody like me.
There you go, buddy. That is awesome.
Here we are about 2 minutes later, and the catfish slayer hit another one. It's in there deep. Down in there. Oh no. Oh, he's angry. Okay, no more reeling. There you go. Yeah, because he's got a lot of fight in him. Yeah, you don't want to snap the line. That's another big one there, Collin. All right. Give it a camera look. All right. I gotta set this phone down.
Go ahead, babe. I got it.
couple reels. Rod sit down. Reel 2 times. All right.
Whoa. They are so crazy, these freaking catfish.
I see the place where I was born. I was
Oh my
raised by
God.
the new dawn.
Ah.
And now I sit inside
Ah.
the storm.
Woohoo!
Like the eye of the pyramid. I know
Catfish
everything
Slayer
ahead.
101 here.
I'm in the hunt, don't you forget. Gotta work for it every day, work for it.
What you think of that?
Gotta work for it every day, work for it. I stand alone, can't get much higher. It's in my bones, love true survivor. I stand alone,
I think I can see him.
I keep on rising.
Okay.
Up to the throne.
All right.
I won't stop fighting, 'cause I stand alone.
Awesome.
Somebody
Cool,
turned
cool.
off all the lights. They try to steal like a parasite, but they can't take away the fight.
I'm telling you.
'Cause I've been wise as a better kid.
Hey, can you tell?
Thinking of the grid. No, I ain't never ever gonna quit. Gotta work for it every day, work for it. Gotta work for it every day, work for it. I stand alone, can't get much higher. It's in my bones.
Down in there somewhere. We just can't even. Oh!
I stand alone,
He's angry.
up to the throne. Won't stop fighting, 'cause I stand alone.
Oh my God.
I stand alone.
Wow. Wow. Oh, look, there he is.
Gotta
Oh my God.
work for it every day, work for it. Gotta work for it every day, work for it.
All right, go ahead.
I stand alone, it's in my bones. I stand alone.
He's gone.